So we have $4,000 for you as well to Natish from the Lewis family, from the USA. That's $4,000 for yourself from the Lewis family.
From the Lewis family, big up yourself. Thank you for the token, for taking the time, for considering me. And not only me, for all of the members and supported from them time and time. Big up yourself, me food basket never run dry. May God always guide and protect your family.
Give thanks, alright. So give thanks to Lewis family for the donation for Natisha and Scally, Mega Flow and Zeke.
Big up all the time.
Thank you so much for help strengthen Junior Future. Walker, Texas Ranger. Wesley Snipe.
Wesley.
Yes, Denzel.
Denzel, man, I can always be there.
Yes, Denzel.
Yeah, man.
You never said, be dead. Oh, yeah, Denzel, the star one. And a cowboy show still. Wait name again. Book of Eli. Book of Eli. Yeah. Book of Eli. So, whoa. Whoa, them are talking about the new style.
Jimmy Cliff too, you know.
Jimmy Cliff.
Ah, they come.
Yes, man.
Thank you. I have a donation for you and I have money for you. What are you going to do with it? What are you going to buy? You know, buy something for your sister? Are your sister that? So, how you just tell me and you tita? Do you get money?
Thank you, your grace and your token.
Alright,
much appreciate.
So this is what they send for you from Mega Flow, Scally and Zeke.
Mega Flow, Scally and Zeke. God bless you all. Thank you. No further than I'm going to put the grace of the basket empty.
Yeah.
I'm going to increase it.
Yeah.
Multitude and love. Respect.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Mr. Winston, seems like you're in the kitchen cooking chicken. Oh, chicken and fish.
Some fish, I cook my brother.
What do you mean? Some freshwater fish.
Yeah.
I smell the pot before I know so you know.
A birthday cooking.
Hey, birthday today?
Yeah, man, today I'm 70.
70. Look at that. Happy birthday.
Yeah,
but,
blessed.
so I never come on a better day, eh?
On the right day.
Look on the day what them send me.
I said going on.
The spirit send me that day, you know. Just you know. Things are fair. Things are fair. So how is everything otherwise?
Good, you know.
Can't complain.
The greatest thing I have life, you know.
Yeah.
I'm for you have life, but the greatest thing.
And the greatest thing is
life.
life.
Father said.
Yes, life. That is the main thing.
Yeah.
And you have life, all is well.
Yeah.
So your medical and thing.
Me have them here, you know.
You have them?
Them done, you know, still.
So you go get more medication?
Me get a medication, but me now going till 24th of this month.
Oh, 24th of this month?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got to do another check?
And me go pay some money for an operation thing.
Oh, you got to do an operation?
I got to do it the 24th of this month. Yeah.
This month?
Yeah, some people get some money.
Okay. So that's a good sign for you then with the operation?
Yeah, man.
Oh, so
my ears still, you know.
Oh, for your ears?
Yeah.
So you have problem hearing?
Yeah, and the doctor them tell me say them good have got to do an X-ray too.
Oh.
So I really inside the ears make it out.
Okay.
Leaving out sound.
Oh, so you hear a sound in your ears?
Yeah.
Like a weave, you know?
Yeah, from 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all like a bees.
Yeah, it sound like you see when bees are fly around you.
Yeah.
Or a fly around you. Or a mosquito, and them sound them get.
Oh.
I mean if you box them way, you know.
Oh. I didn't want to say, I swear I see like, I from see it. Some of them experience there. And when them do go in ears and take it out, it's like a fly or something inside, insect inside or something.
Yeah.
You know, because I know somebody would have an experience, they must have a couple months well.
Yeah, man.
Them ear like something in their ears.
From 2020 me have it, man.
2020.
Yeah. 2 years now.
2 years now.
Yeah.
Wow, and it's still there to see me
Still
like
no
something
move.
fly.
Me go out of public and them all wash up the 2 years.
And still the
And
same.
still they see me. So me get a paper now for all the years place.
Specialist them.
Specialist them, yeah. Up at Eastwood Park Road.
Okay, Eastwood Park.
91, yeah, 91. Look at the avenue name now. Dunbar Avenue.
Oh, Dunbar Avenue, by
Yeah.
Eastwood Park side.
Yeah.
Okay.
So me go up already, and up there now me go and give me a appointment for come back the 24th of this month.
Okay, okay.
So
at least we can go and get it out the way.
You see me I say,
Because them bag of ying and them fly by, then them drive by
yeah,
there.
can't watch it now. Me don't want to put it on my brain, you know, because if something happen to your body and you put it on your brain, it gets you down more.
Get it on more.
So me no bother do that. Me just ease myself and myself be comfortable and me just go and do like me no hear nothing now. Yeah.
That's the best way. So you kind of take your mind off it.
Yeah, man,
So-
me take my mind off.
And that's the thing, too. You take your mind off
Yeah,
it, you
man.
get used to it.
Me turn off that part.
Yeah,
because
check
I
your
want
part.
thing burn up.
Oh, you know, I can't burn up the fish, you know.
Then I that down.
First, them two left on the table I wait for jumping at the pot.
Jumping out the pot.
Them two.
My vegetable in my butter.
Oh, the vegetable.
Yeah, we put in there.
Simmer
So
down.
I stir it up and thing, we season it up before I put in the fish them.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so
See there. We have a donation for you.
yeah.
Yeah. And this is from Dance. She wanna know as Dance. You know, from the UK, from London. $11,000 for you from Dance from London, UK. So count it. So you can count it first.
Yeah, bro.
Oh,
I
yeah.
trust you, man. Me have to count nothing. Thank you very much,
Dance.
Miss Dan
Miss Dance, yeah.
from London. Grateful. Thank you very much and God bless you. I hope your food basket keep full at all times. Never empty. God bless you, mommy.
Alright then, and God bless you too, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So,
Alright.
I'm gonna leave you so you can continue cooking.
Yeah,
Because
man,
this say you have
yeah.
to turn off the stove.
Listen, you have to
So I'm
come.
gonna leave. Cool, man.
Because I know everything.
Yeah, because I want your food burn up right now. You see me?
Brother.
Alright, go and take care, man.
Take care. Yes,
Yeah, man. Until next time, right?
Yeah, man.
When the fish them go and fry, see the paper, fresh water. You see the eye, I look on eye.
Yeah, man.
I chew it nose says eye and eye.
Yeah, man. Them things you have to eat to keep your body strong with vegetable. Healthy. No meat
Yeah.
business. Meat business don't. Now you say that kill you quick.
Yeah.
So you have to eat something to keep your fish and vegetable.
Protein up.
Yeah, pure protein up thing.
Alright,
Yeah.
that's how we stand.
Take care.
Alright,
Yeah, brother.
okay. Yeah. Smiling. Baby dream is arrived. Baby dream arrived and the universe. And she still a smile. Just come out how much contract. Still smiling. Me yes one time smile, yeah, baby, a big teeth. A peer smile, the man smile. They must have the first patient them ever have in the hospital that have baby and a smile.
She said me not feel no pain.
No, can't peer smile. Jesus, I don't bring it through the smile. Too bad to all the viewers and the donors, so you cannot see the face yet of Baby Dream. So the baby nickname is Baby Dream. That's her name, Baby Dream. You know, I welcome her to the Dream Team. You know, our shirt not arrived as yet. You know, so it's been designed special edition for Baby Dream.
That's she look like get a shimmy.
Yeah. Why should I get everything in a Dream Team? Dream Team socks, Dream Team hat, Dream Team this and Dream Team that. Job. That's the thing. They're smiling. So how was the delivery?
It did paid full, but
With that smile.
quick.
With that smile.
No.
Oh, that year. I'm not that year, Dad. How that? I that year, Dad.
You.
How this test and that year? I'm sorry. How for baby, Dad? Are you a baby, Tita? Oh, yeah, sister. And your sister?
No.
Why?
Time one boy.
How you want?
Boy.
Boy, you want? Come here, Zaire. Come here, Zaire. Say you don't want a Tita? Zaire say no film. I hear a Tita, Kylo. Yes, Zaire say no want a
They said
Tita.
the raw boy.
Zaire, come here, Zaire. I have something for you as well. Stand up over there. Remember, you're in a Dream Team, you know. Right? So what you say? You don't want that no Tita? Eh?
I want too much sister.
No, you want so much sister? So you want brother? You are smiley, the man the vote, you know. Yeah. That year,
I'm the third sister is in front
that year,
of
me have money for you, you know. Right? You have some money. And that year, I have a donation for you, and I have money for you. What you gonna do with it?
Why don't
What you gonna buy? You know, buy something for your sister? Are your sister that?
yeah.
So, you have 10 boy and your Tita. Till you get money. Your sister. You see one brother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say now, brother, already.
You wanna? No. Alright then, that year I got $3,000 for you. So you not turn up. What you gonna do? I can't give you the money, I give Kylo.
No.
You want to give your brother?
No.
No, you. Kylo, you get your donation, right? Alright, tell them thanks. Thank you for my donation.
Thank you for my donation.
Yeah. Alright then, but that year, I got $3,000 for you from the Lewis family who stole your name. You have another Zaire over there. So tell him thank you, Lewis family.
So thank you, Louis family.
Thank you, Fanny.
You know, thank you, Lewis family. That year. So where you gonna do with that now?
Party.
You put in your pocket? You put in your pocket? Yeah.
Tita.
For your Tita?
Tita, my tita home.
Okay.
And tita mine.
That I hear. Something to your brother.
You are the team.
I already give. So yeah, so me already give.
You want my thing.
You have to give one him say.
So Smiley. Well, Smiley can't have Anglo money, so I make liquor wallet for her because she have the baby. So I have $4,000 here for Smiley from the Lewis family. Well counted. Smiley. That's
Louis family. Thanks again, Louis family, for all that you've been done, all that you are about to do, and I hope your food basket never empty.
Never empty. And Baby Dream, welcome to the Dream Team. You know, Baby Dream. This is the first baby born in the team. So look at that. Dream Team generation continue. You know, Baby Dream. Cause the one that year. Give me the barrel. Where the barrel? No, what's that? What you have? Yeah? What's you have then? Alright then, so Smiley.
Yeah.
Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Kylo. Milo. That year,
Yeah,
beg $1,000 no?
yeah. Tita one.
Tita one. Alright.
My money.
You just send your sister, but we'll make you stay with it still, right? Alright. Layla. Layla, look at Layla, birthday girl. Wow, oh pretty so. Look at my pretty. Wow, I love your hairstyle, Layla. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Layla. How old are you now? 20?
Yeah.
You're 20? Tea. Layla, cheap. Layla looking so beautiful. Layla, stand up, let me see you, Layla. Let me down and see you. Look now. Champion. Layla, Layla, Layla. Wave to them, wave to them. Happy birthday. Okay, Layla? Thanks. So are you keeping party?
Yeah.
Keeping birthday party?
Yeah.
Yep. So am I invited? Yeah? So I'm coming then, right? You got cake for me?
Yep.
Yep. Ice cream for me?
Yep.
Wow, so I'm coming to party. So that means I'm going to give you my gift then, right?
Yep.
Yep. Everything is yep. Alright, so I'll give you birthday money, right?
Yep.
Yep. See, it's a new style she find now, yep. And she find it on her birthday, Jella. You know, see what I'm going, yep. Wow, and she had a big... I love your hairstyle, Layla. I love it. So I got $3,000 a year for you, Layla, for your birthday. Say thank you. Thank you. So Jella, that is from the Lewis family, from the US.
Lewis family. Lewis family, thank you. Thank you, the Lewis family, for Layla donation. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe.
Yeah, it never come under day like the better day like this on your birthday, right? So I'm coming for ice cream. Okay? Right? Alright. Take care, Layla.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye
Can I put money in your bag now? Wow, look. That I go on, yes. I like your bag.
Layla, where ice cream there?
I like your pretty bag. Wow, money gone in a bag, boy, Layla.
My money,
Yeah. Yes, Layla.
No?
Money, you know, Layla said no. That you're not share your Layla, not share for your neither.
I want to
Miss Layla put that in her bag. Zip it up, Layla, zip it up quick. Zip it up quick, Layla. Layla. Joe.
Yeah, brother.
Yes.
Greetings to the donors.
Yeah, I went at a cool as the breeze blow. Joe, well done. You have to give thanks. You have to give thanks to Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke. You know the shipment just arrived for Joe.
Yeah.
You know them say cool as the breeze blow. You know Humble Joe. Yeah.
Mega Flow.
And Zeke from the USA.
USA.
Yeah.
Them three names are still in them. We know them three general are still in them.
Yes, I.
So love and respect. Thank you, no. Your grace. Thank you for your token.
Alright,
Much
so
appreciate.
So this is what they sent for you from Mega Plow, Scally and Zeke.
Mega Flow, Scally and Zeke. God bless you all. Thank you. No further now I'm gonna make the grace of your basket empty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna increase it.
Yeah.
Multitude and love. Respect. Love for my brothers and sisters, Gene team.
Yeah.
Love.
Respect every time. So blessings and give thanks to Scally and Mega Plow and ZT, you know. Them been there.
Still.
Yeah.
I give you a link, my brother. Love and respect, you see it?
Alright, every time. So blessings to her.
Yeah.
Mother Teresa, we have to bless you, we have to give thanks. Big up yourself, Zeke, the Scally, Mega Plow, and Zeke from the USA. Much love, much respect, you know, we have to big up on yourself.
Yeah.
And what said, I can't say it once, I have to say it twice. So Scally, Mega Plow, and Zeke, big up on yourself all the way in the USA. So we're looking, we have a pair of sneakers. You know, in the UK they call them trainers. In Jamaica them call them crepe. So this is from Mega Plow, Scally and Zeke from the USA.
Thank you, Mega Plow, Zeke and Scally. Many love, many grateful, many honor. Our Father God guide and keep on the same way. And one team, all of the donors and just big up on yourself, Oliver and Carla, Auntie, I don't know.
Alright, so blessings and give thanks Scally and Mega Plow and Zeke from the USA. Oh, God bless you and thanks you. Dream team, one team. Wow, some comfortable in them seats, so sure.
Watch your job.
Eh?
Man, shoot all over.
Oh, you didn't put it on?
Yeah, man.
Eh? You threw it on?
Yeah, feel heavy.
Eh, heavy man, a long time TV them, you know. Yeah, they made a big old black back then, you know. Jesus Christ, some
Heavy bad man.
Some, you didn't take out that?
Fan this, so.
Mm-hmm.
I repair, and boy, take it off.
Take it off first stand.
I'm fight to get out of the door. I didn't come and say, we get out of the door.
Mm-hmm.
I block the door.
How much years you have this now, Sam? How much years you have that?
No.
Early time. Now you're prime.
Yeah, man.
Now you're prime, bro.
Have big things that man.
Yeah, I can see. Oh, Sam, I see you have a next coal stove over here. And a one burner.
Yeah, I'm kind of on there.
Okay, so and this is our two burner.
Yeah, well, we got this something to go on one.
Oh, so it have the tray now.
One tray tab.
Oh, it have one tray now. So it want one more tray. Oh, you can take it out now then.
Yeah, man.
You can take it out.
Get one chef, man.
Yeah. Get when them come out. Yeah, man, and that two burner coal stove is from Mary D. Yeah, we give thanks to Mary D from the USA for purchasing Dream Team 2 burner coal stove, because boy, the two up there, it burn right out till nothing no left. So this one is ready. Give thanks to some Dream Team got them 2 burner coal stove. Well, this come like a gas stove because so them work. So we give thanks and we give thanks. I would thank you so much for your and Junior effort that we've been putting out, right, Junior? Continue to see you, man, Junior, because you're making people proud, you know. Because I'm gonna say you can learn something from this. This is why Sam pass on the talent to you, you know. It's a blessing, and Sam not being selfish. He could have been selfish and say you would not teach nobody, right, Sam? Yeah. Alright, see, Sam. So we have 2 of the members them come to take out the 2 burner coal stove. See that come through, boom. Need to have Mary D.
And then shop it go.
Yeah. Oh, for the shop there. Yeah.
Sam.
Alright,
Like yeah.
yeah. So that's give thanks. Rasta Jackson. Just rolling in. See it there. Movie star. Rasta Jackson. Yes, Sam. So you see there.
Yeah,
it's nice doing business with you, Sam.
Thanks so much.
It's very nice doing business with you. You know, you have the next 1 burner over there. So you see that 2 gone, 1 left. Here, so 2 down, 1 to go. So we give thanks. But come back here. Okay. Yeah. Because she have the things them who I'm presenting. Yes, Sam. So Sam, you start making a chair yet?
I'm starting to. Nice space.
Nice space in have.
Start make one, I make the cushion one.
The cushion one. So now you put them one in a cushion? Yeah, put the cushion pan that. Just one, yeah. Might as well.
I start with the cushion and just to space in it.
Oh yeah, space. Alright then, so Sam, as I say, you're a student, junior has been inspiring people because of you that's been teaching him as his teacher. So you're the teacher and junior, you know, he's not the senior yet, he's the junior, you know, so, and we have something here for him from this donor, it's from the USA, they're known as Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke. So these are for you, Junior, from Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke. So you have some no,
The whole of this.
or the whole of that, right? So some no, it have a gauge on it or something.
No. I say what I put it.
Or the thing we put the rod on.
These are bright now. I'm pushing a black now at least.
Yeah, that's a odd. And that now,
I go on this.
I grown that.
Go on. I say about it.
Okay, so the grows that. And that I add, then I add that for you. Going time, yeah, well. Yeah, flip it.
It's important, no, that's why it's important.
It's important though.
You see, when you glass it up with your sheep, you eat catch yourself, bun long,
Yeah.
I know where that.
So yeah, so that's it. Good. So because Scally himself is a welder and do welding.
Oh.
Yeah, so he's planning to send him some more welding gear, and you have the glass as well too.
Yeah.
So that's the glasses for your eye.
Yeah. When you have a son, my child, man.
Okay, scientist. Yeah, scientist. So that is from. Okay, so that's from Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke.
Sally Mega Plow.
Scally. Yeah, Mega Plow and Zeke.
You tell them give thanks, man. Give thanks, man. Not a blessing, man.
Lot of blessings. Scally, Mega Plow.
Blessings that flow, man.
Flow like a river. What you say?
Just like that.
Just like that, Sam say. So go on, Junior says Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke.
Thank you very much for the tool. To protect me.
Yeah.
And big up yourself. My food basket never empty.
Alright then, so it never run dry. So we give thanks again. We give thanks again, you know. We give thanks again to Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke. You know, because Scally himself is a welder, so he's definitely looking out for your best interests. You know, if you know, so you're safe. Health come first. Right, Sam?
Yeah, man.
So Sam, you say the world is proud of your student. So is your first student, Sam?
I know.
Is not the first student? Okay, so the world has see your first student then.
Yeah.
You have many students, but this is what the world is seeing right now.
That student not driving
Yeah.
and construction.
Oh, and you have one now in welding.
Yeah, man. You have children in welding, but
Yeah.
there are some will and some will not.
Yeah.
And some when they flash and come back.
Okay, when you get the flash in them eye, they're gonna come back. And they test that, you know. So here's some tell us when time you flash, don't rub it.
You get flash already, you know.
You get flash already?
I'm gonna go watch the TV.
I watch the TV.
It's well up. Go school.
So Sam, at least the student get flash and come back. So he was made for this, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So this is the right student then. He get flash and he return. Flashback. Alright, so you have on the glass, you have the gears them now, the proper gears them, so I don't expect it to get any more flash. So they stay up on the safe side. And Sam, I'm telling you, it's a blessing to what you're doing, you know, and everyone on the program really appreciate the time that you're giving. Yeah, so
Yeah, man.
just keep putting out the work, you know, every time. Natish, the mommy is here, you know. Proud mommy. Proud mommy. You know, Natish is here, proud mommy. You know. So Natish, as I can see, you know, he's on the right path, you know. Father God to lead him in the right path of righteousness. You know, and the right direction. Because it's only way up.
Right.
Because you know the past where everything coming from, so it's only way up from where we're coming from. So the past I gotta shape the future to be better. You know, because that's all them can see right now. Their mother inspired them, you know. Been fighting. I know Oliver always said so much, say remind him of his mother. I'ma tell him, you know, him say you even look like his mother. I'ma tell him, say, yo, it can be possible like the rebirth, you know. And you go through the struggle where people might have got through as well too. So each time, and when you tell him, say, yeah, go downtown for go sell, like these are the things where you just keep and remind him of your mother, because she been doing all these things. Same place here in a Trenchtown, you know, 2nd Street as well. So it can be.
Not a coincidence.
So if Oliver mother they right in your brain, hello Oliver mommy, you know, welcome to the physical world.
Yes.
Probably she not awake yet, but sooner or later she will know. So we give thanks. Right, Sam?
Yeah, man, different.
Sam, you believe that though?
Yes, man, different.
See, Sam believe that and it's so true.
You don't see that book? You don't see that book in the tablet?
It's in the book, right?
The tablet.
All
The
right.
tablet.
It's no lie. It's in the book. It's in the book it says. So you know, but that's true, you know. So go and say you want to big up Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke.
Big up yourself for the tour, for taking the time for considering him, for the good deeds. Big up yourself. May basket never run dry. May Father God always guide and protect you always.
Yeah.
One team,
Dream team.
only real team.
Yeah, so blessings.
Big up all of the donors, them, all the subscribers, them, and all of the viewers, them.
Yeah, remember donation, don't move as well to your Oliver mom, don't move Oliver mom. You know, Oliver mom, you know, Oliver mom inside that spiritual side, you know. And Natisha is in the physical form.
Right.
Actually, you don't realize yet. And tell him say it can be, you know. But anyway, so we have $4,000 for you as well to Natish from the Lewis family, from the USA. That's $4,000 for yourself from the Lewis family.
Yeah, man, big them up.
And the Lewis family, big up yourself. Thank you for the token, for taking the time, for considering me. And not only me, for all of the members them. For the supporting from them time until now. Big up yourself, may food basket never run dry. May God always guide and protect your family.
Give thanks. Alright, so give thanks to the Lewis family for the donation for Natisha and Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke.
Big up all the time.
Thank you so much for help strengthen Junior future. You know, and send him on the right path. So we give thanks, Sam, until then, you know it goes, right? Alright then, so may I wait upon that trade if I finish. Right? So them I go wait for seat as well, because probably when I do one of them want to purchase one of them in cushion. Right? Alright then. Jeez! Well, whoa, Western, Wild West. You know, and when the West is cool, this is what you see, when the West is cool. You know, yeah, so the Canadian, and you have the Wild West. Walker, Texas, Ranger, Wesley Snipe.
Wesley.
Yes, Denzel.
Denzel, man, I can always be there.
Yes, Denzel.
Yeah, man.
Hope you never said, be dead. Oh yeah, Denzel, the Star Wars, and a cowboy show still. What name again? Book of Eli. Book of Eli. Yeah. Book of Eli. So whoa. Whoa, them talk about the new style.
Jimmy Cliff too, you know.
Jimmy Cliff.
Ah, they come.
Yes, man. Yeah, man, you know.
Yeah, so,
Come, you know.
yeah, so I keep they come. Rhyming with the new Asian style, you know, Arab.
Yeah.
Arab, see the Isle of Madivin.
Straight, most.
See the at the Isle of Friday neck. Right in there, so.
Yeah, I mine.
Yeah, man.
And the Isle is where I'm up, you know. From the Arab, see me rhyming the Arab.
Yeah.
And this is the Isle where Williams, you know, that Friday neck. And the chicken back.
Oh, shit, man, guys.
So yeah, I said, and the chicken like this.
Yeah, man. neck, you know?
Chicken neck.
Yeah, man,
Another back.
no, on the back.
And the national dish.
Yeah, man, the neck.
And the neck, people, look at it. This is the chicken neck. Where is it? The wow neck.
Really, man, you see it?
It's got a wow neck. Well, look like a KFC boy. Like color.
Alright, neck.
We have to talk about can't get the ingredients there.
Yeah,
Nah, get that one there.
Nah, look at that one there. Me a worship and
No, yeah, man, you see it. That's why you see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The
So-
proper color neck, forget, you know?
yeah, man, like a KFC or
KFC, yeah, the KFC look, man.
Yeah, man.
Look just like the KFC, but you don't think already we're there up on the moon or we're there up on the go.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Go up the road, man.
So we're there up on the go. So we have Wormy with a donation for you.
Yeah.
And you know the Lewis family as well as usual him send for the others already.
Yeah.
So him a feeling pan who he never sent to. So you know so Wormy is one of them as well. So it's $4,000 for you from the Lewis family from the USA.
Oh, Lewis family from worship place twice.
Yeah, man.
Big up in always, you know. You don't know a dream team, you know, and one family. So for yourself family, you're a part-time family. Love, you know, always, you know. They are doing good work, same Lewis family. Bless you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bless
man.
up.
You see it?
Yeah, twice.
Twice.
Yeah.
Count it Wormy. Yeah, it's 4,000.
One city come 4 city in a one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You say one city turn in hour?
4, yeah, man. One city turn a 4, man. So twice on the side and twice.
Twice.
Man. One city a 4 there now.
Yeah, 4
Man, that's what I mean, the capital for, you know?
Yeah,
If you want to go 40, so I'm just going to tell you what going on, you know?
20.
Twice! Yeah, man.
That
one
one.
city turn a 4, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Split one city, man, you know?
So may I also have a donation for you as well to Wow Chef.
Go, yeah, man.
You know, for also from the Lewis family.
Great Louis, you know? LA Louis, you know, this Louis is a great Louis. Yeah, man, one of the greatest Louis, them, you know, raised in America. New York City, so, yeah, man, so,
You there? So, $4,000.
Louis did that. So we just tell us a while ago. New York, twice, okay?
Twice. So that's why 4.
That's why 4,000. The 2 for that side there, 2 on the side there, for that side. Louis, enough love and respect, yeah.
Yeah.
Holy for blessing me. I can't tell send me as a man told right now, get chicken back them, no.
No, yeah. More chicken back.
Yeah, man, Louis, so. No flow. No flow.
Yeah. Oh, you find the right out now.
Yeah, man, teacher.
Find the yeah.
No, man.
You find the right spot.
Because Louis been a bit up on the side there, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, Louis, you see me, I said.
Yeah. You know which part the art there now.
2 art now.
Twice.
Art now. One that keep body going, clean for the youth, you know. Uplift the things, you see me, I said. No love, no Louis.
Alright, there you turn. Cool. I'll run over here and fry some sprat. And sprat I go and fry. I'll run and go and fry some sprat. Sprat and dumpling. They say crunchy. And the teeth you can't miss nothing at all. Well done. Sweet. Alright. Where me know everything, where me in the kitchen.
Yeah, man, there, man, same here, people, man. Love to all donors, love to all viewers, love to all subscribers. Everyone who are watching, just know, say, tell a friend, but them know, say, oh, this is the right program for me to watch. You see it? We have all the great things. We have a cover all Jamaica, it's good. You see it? All of you, them there are pretty good and love seeing you, so you don't know it.
Yeah, man, Texas, I forgot to know, because some cowboy stand there and go on, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm a pants for 2 things on my side, you see what I said?
And the boat now.
And the big boat to the thing, you see it?
Yeah.
No fluff, you know.
Western.
Yeah.
Well,
So,
well.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.